What is good, gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today my face is beat, I'm trying to get back to myself, and we're going to be installing a lace front wig. This lace front wig came from Derun hair. If you ain't heard of them, then you'll find out more in the video of my thoughts of this hair, and also whether or not I use this as my vendor. But I'm gonna get right into the video, and it's like a chit chat type of thing, so it's really interactive. So let me know, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. We on the road to 1K. We about to hit 700 in a couple days, so it's litty. So we got our cap on, and I'm bald headed right now. I'm gonna take my makeup and put it on my head. I tinted my lace with the tailored crown light brown shade, so we'll see if that's my skin tone. But right now I'm gonna go get that powder so we can put it in my head. Yeah, I don't think I did that right, but I don't care. Maybe it cut, I don't know. Maybe you gotta dip and saturate it, whatever. But I didn't do all of that. Whatever. But I think it'll blend. I think it'll blend either way. This is 26 inches. This is Derun hair. Derun D-E-R-U-N hair. Now I'm gonna put it on my head. I like to wear my frontals low because I got a lot of forehead, but I don't want them to be too low because then it's gonna look weird. And I did make this wig, so yeah. Let me just see if this is the right part. Here we go. I didn't pluck it. It came like this, so that's a plus. All I did was dye it black and bleach the knots. It came with baby hair. The baby hair looks really good on it. The frontal baby hair looks really good on it. Yeah, it gets like thin right here, and then as you go farther back, it gets thicker. I should have got 6 inches, but I got 4, which is okay. As long as it looks natural. Inches. So we're gonna jeez, get on my page. Popsicle stick glue, and I'm using the Ghost Bond. Yeah, like, no, don't look at me. Look at the glue. That's the Supreme. That's Supreme. Okay. Never use this one. So far, so good. I don't feel no type of way about it. Usually, I start itching. But yeah, we're gonna. Okay, so this is gonna stop right here. I'm not even gonna go. We're gonna put this back on the hair, because this hair is very voluptuous and full. I put exactly 3 bundles in here, so it's really full. Okay, we're gonna do this. Slide that thing on back to the cap. The glue already pooping. Okay. Get me a good amount on there. We're gonna get to moving it. Y'all need to move that glue. Y'all need to move that glue. So I'm gonna give y'all a little information about this hair. So this is hair that I use for my princess collection, and I like them. Like, I saw somebody put Derun hair on a bad list, but I don't understand why they did that, because it's not bad hair. It's just I don't think people get the concept of you get what you pay for. Like, don't buy virgin hair expecting raw hair quality. You know, it's not the same thing. And this is definitely virgin hair. You can still bleach it, you can still dye it, you can do what you want to do to it, but I would consider it like a step up from beauty supply hair. It's way better than beauty supply hair. But like I said, don't purchase virgin hair thinking that you're gonna get raw hair quality from it, and then blame these hair businesses for scamming you. And it's not even a scam. And I know business owners know what I'm talking about. It's not a scam. It's just you gotta know what you pay for it. Like, you go to Dollar Tree and buy some headphones versus going to Beats and buying some headphones. It's not the same quality. But I like doing my hair, and I have multiple people that like it too. If you haven't watched my Start a Business with No Money video, this is the hair company that I ordered from back when their bundles were like $10. And I would sell them for like $50. And I would include a free install or wig with it in exchange for a photo shoot with the person. And they would be down for it, because that's a good deal. It's a good deal. You get cheap bundles, and you get a free install, and you get pictures that you could post on your Instagram, and not just you posting them on your Instagram, but the client can post them on their Instagram, etc., etc. And if they like it, then they'll tell their friends, and then that's word of mouth marketing. You know, like, I like this hair brand, I really do. And multiple people told me they like it too. So I wouldn't turn my nose up at it if I were you. It's good quality hair. Like, I have hair from Derun that has lasted me years. My blue hair, actually, I had it dyed multiple different colors, and it was short. It was longer, but I cut it up. I always cut up my longer lifts, but I'm gonna leave this one the way it is. But I always cut up my hair, because I like to experiment with my hair. My bundles, I don't like to do it with my hair. Like, dyeing my hair was the most I've ever done to my head. Other than that, I keep it braided up, wigged up, out the way. Okay. But yeah, I'm done talking y'all head off. But yeah, y'all should check out Derun hair, because I like it. Y'all got any hair vendors y'all want to share? Drop them below in the comment section. Because we don't need to, I'm sick of this. People will tell you where they get their lashes from. People tell you where they get their lip gloss base and stuff from, all these other businesses. But when it comes to hair, people just so stingy. And I told y'all I'm here to help you start your business with no moolah. So I'm telling you right now, it's a good company to work with. Unless you had a bad experience. But I feel like everybody, you know, bad experiences are not always bad. Most of the time they're just misunderstandings. And as a business owner, you just have to roll with the punches when it comes to stuff like that. Misunderstandings happen. You can't stop working with a company because X, Y, and Z or something like minor happened. You just tell them and they'll try and fix it. Hold on one moment. All right, my bad. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, at this time, we're going to take it out so that we can get all of these, like, whatever, where my ear is, out. So we're going to take about right here. Ow, wow. Let's be on it. they hate to see it. Okay, we love it. I think I need to go back with my cat because it's gonna be in my way. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm just gonna remove some of my cap. I'll be right back. All right, so I removed the extra cap, and look, now we don't have any cap in here. So I have glued everything down. I'm just gonna go with my, what do you call this, a razor? I think it's a razor, but I'm taking my razor and I'm cutting the extra lace off, trying to be careful and trying to do this real good with the mirror that I had. It wasn't that good. So you see, I had to go back in and glue some parts down. I don't like this side, but it's fine. So what else? I only left the leg. Baby hair time. So I did these off camera, but my baby hair really turned out pretty good this time. I feel like if you separate the line between your baby hair and where your hair actually starts, I think if you separate those two, that's when you'll get like this type of look. But I've never done this before. Not this type of look. I never did this type of look, okay? But I've done this plenty of times. How the scalp is, okay? I just done in my nose. That is gross, okay. So maybe this is my lace color. I don't know if it did anything or not. I feel like it blended a little better, but yeah, this was, y'all, it took me like 3 weeks to make this hair because I was BSing. But it's so full. All the way to the end. Let me pause this. I want to say thank you for getting this far in the video. And thank you for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. I know I've been super duper MIA, but I hope you love this look. And I hope it's very recreatable, if that's a word. And I will see you in my next one. Peace.